Hi, I'm Professor Alex Lima of Atlantis University, and I'm a professor in the School of Information Technology. And one of the things that it's very important at Atlantis University is that you have professionals that know to connect the academic with the practical, with things that work, because they have done that, they have been there. So our differentiator, the fundamental points of differentiation at Atlantis University is the quality of our installations, our offices, our labs, our way that we teach, the resources that are available in the classroom, but also, and most importantly, the quality of our professors. So we are here at Atlantis, we'll be able to guide you through these set of opportunities and challenges and give you, again, what works and what doesn't work. So we wait for you here. If you have any questions, alex.lima@atlantisuniversity.edu.